Today we are unboxing article number 20 from Asim Jofa luxury collection. The name of this collection is Rabt. Okay, so this is the article. The price of this article is 10,950 rupees. It's a kalidar frock. It comes with 16 panels of these kalis. It's on jacquard fabric. So you get 16 panels of these kalis. This is the front and back borders. This will go at the back. As you can see here. Okay, and the front part. So this will go on your front. It's jacquard on a light cotton material. The color of the dress is exactly as shown in the video. This is the fabric for the sleeves. It comes with a chiffon dupatta with an embroidery all over it. This is 2-meter fabric, and along with the dupatta you also get the border. It's a very wide border, and it has enough fabric for border for both sides of the dupatta. This is the trouser that it comes with. It's a cotton fabric in the same color as the suit, and you also get the laces for your border, frock border and bodice area. It's a 3-piece suit and it's available on our website.